And here's a lovely Corvette currently being restored. Some welding. The engine has been taken out as well. It's had a complete respray. Beautiful colour. Look at that. Sorry, it's very tight in here, with a lot of contraptions all around us. Current restoration work being done. Show you around. Might be able to have a quick peek inside. There you go. That's the interior. Look at that. Beautiful. Here we go. Little view from the back. There's the chassis that's going on the vehicle. Let's just show you a quick insight into the driver's cabin. Wow, look at that. We will do a full review on this vehicle once it's all restored and ready. Obviously it's a work in progress at the moment. Look at that dashboard. Stunning. It's a lot of noise in the background, we apologise. And more to follow on this beautiful vehicle.